Hello, so today we are going to have a look at two bedroom villa, total area, build up area 230 square meters. The land is 400 square meters. This villa goes for only 13 million, and the style, the design, I love it. So let's go have a look. How do I turn the camera? Yeah, so we have a tenant inside. So I'm just going to give a quick tour. On the right, this is a laundry and the parking. Someone has a BMW over there. We enter into the living area. Guest bathroom on the right. Yeah, and here is the living area. Sofa, TV, high ceilings. Oh, I love this one. Yay. The tenant says it's very beautiful when a full moon, so you can see the moon from there, and very beautiful when it rains. The kitchen, big dining table. This is a place for cooking. Kitchen, yeah, there we go. Oh, by the way, the developer says this villa is 80 years old. I wish to have something like that, 80 years old and still looks so perfect. Two bedrooms, two bedroom. One bedroom is on the left. This is a master bedroom. They do a big windows slash doors, sliding windows doors, which is very smart, I think. Rooms are light. Let's go have a look at the swimming pool. Yeah. And this is a swimming pool that you kind of like enjoy swimming. It's not that huge, but yeah, it's enough. More than enough. Some of the swimming pools you go in, Jesus, am I in a bathtub or something? Yeah, greenery, a lot of privacy. The shower place after the swimming pool. There is a small barbecue area over there. Yeah, and let's go to finalize everything. We're gonna go and see the second guest bedroom. Right there. Oh, bathtub. Very rarely to see, but I think in villa is a good option. Yeah. So this is 200. I'll double check for you. I think 206 square meters of build-up area and 400 square meters of the land. Ready to move in, and all beautiful and stuff. Thank you for your time, guys.